Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about camping at the Cherrybend Pheasant Farm. Now, this is right outside of Wilmington, Ohio. It was a big go-to spot for the central region back in Ohio back in the 1990s and early 2000s. We went there and camped at least once a year. We had a great time. There is a 12-station shooting shotgun station if you want to shoot skeet, but stay tuned for some more details. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, the Cherrybend Pheasant Farm, they do a lot there. They raise their chicks from egg, and then they release them out into the wild, and then they have a lot of hunting groups that come, and you can come there and hunt, or you can go there and buy chicks, but they have a lot of cornfields to hunt over. And in the center of the farm, there's a skeet station that has 12 stations. Each one is different, and a lot of us used to fly there and do competitions in the afternoon, and then we'd camp overnight at the pheasant farm. And the nice thing about the pheasant farm is it has a runway, and you can see we're zooming in on it right here. It's on the southeastern side of the field, but you come in and you land. You'll have to check the chart for Unicom, but there's plenty of camping, and there are portalets up near the farm. So it's a great place to go and camp. And again, the Great Lakes region used to do that quite a bit back in the 90s. Now, here's some photos back in the day. Some of these folks you might recognize. Some of them have gone west on us. But anyway, we had a lot of fun camping. You brought all your own gear, your own water, your own food, your tents, and everything. And we usually did it in Tigers. We did have a traveler attend one year. But it's a great place to camp. It's kind of quiet, and it's very dark at night, so you get to see a lot of the scenery. Even though when you bring children who make it a point that they're not going to have a good time no matter what you do for them. But anyway, we had a great time sitting around after meals, and we socialized. We used the tiki torch at night for light, and usually about 10:30 or 11 o'clock at night in the summertime, you're ready to pack it in. And that's where having a big tent with the screen cloths come in. So it's a lot like camping at Oshkosh with other airplane people. But you get to camp right on the runway, and occasionally someone will come in and do a nice low pass down the field just to let you know they're there. The one caveat that they ask is that you not fly over the main portion of the farm. Pheasants don't like to see other shadows above them. They think it's a predator coming to get them. But anyway, it was a great time. John and Ruth Maestri came here. Scroggles and Chris from Indianapolis. Roscoe's fiance of the early day back in 1996 was there. And that's Ben Brodsky behind me. Ben's gone west for a while now. I wonder what Liz is doing. But anyway, it was a great place to go and camp and have a good time. And it's still there. So maybe we'll reach out to them this year and see if maybe we can have another adventure out there. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. It's not that far away. It's a great place to go, and I'm sure you have areas like it in your area. So hunt them out, and let's make a fly-in there. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful and informative, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.